Hello and welcome. I'm Elaine Didier, Director of the Gerald Ford Presidential Library and Museum, located in Ann Arbor and Grand Rapids, Michigan. My colleagues and I are pleased to introduce you to our new virtual museum series. The library and museum are proud to be one of the presidential libraries within the National Archives and Records Administration. We are honored to be stewards of the many congressional, presidential, and personal papers and artifacts of both President Ford, Mrs. Ford, and many members of the Ford administration. Thanks to the support of the National Archives and the Ford Presidential Foundation, we are able to bring our collections to life for you. Please take your time and enjoy your virtual tour experience at the Gerald R. Ford Presidential Museum.
I'm standing in the museum's reproduction of the cabinet room. In this full-scale reproduction, we have it arranged the way that President Ford had his cabinet room arranged. The pictures on the wall are paintings that he selected of presidents that were special to him. His favorite president, Eisenhower, is above my shoulder. Here on the back wall, we have the president who was the founder of the Republican Party, Abraham Lincoln, and his favorite Democrat president, Harry Truman. This exhibit does not feature any artifacts, and so when you visit the museum, you're free to roam about and to sit in the various chairs of the cabinet room arranged around the table that was made by the same company that made the table for the original cabinet room. We are honored as a museum to be able to offer these environmental elements, the full-size reproduction of the Oval Office and a full-size reproduction of the cabinet room. They help our visitors to gain a sense of what these elements, anyway, in the White House are like, bringing a part of the White House from Washington, D.C. to Grand Rapids.
Hello again. I'm Elaine Didier, Director of the Gerald Ford Presidential Library and Museum. I hope you've enjoyed your virtual experience today and will continue to explore the many virtual and in-person experiences we offer at both the library and the museum. Our exhibits and programming are made possible through the support of the National Archives and Records Administration and the generous contributions of donors to the Gerald Ford Presidential Foundation. If you enjoyed your tour today, please consider joining the Foundation's Friends of Ford, which supports many of our activities. Now, we invite you to continue your virtual experience on our website, fordlibrarymuseum.gov. That's all one word, fordlibrarymuseum.gov, and explore more than 600,000 pages of documents and photos from our archival collections, images of museum artifacts, as well as video recordings of numerous outstanding speakers we have hosted at both the library and museum. Thank you for spending your time with us today, and we look forward to seeing you in person very soon.